What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell NFTs, or how to mint NFT if you have a whitelist spot for a specific project. And this is going to be similar process if you decide to purchase in a public sale. The only difference is going to be if it's a very high project, most likely there's going to be a guess war. So recently I made a video about 3 free mint NFT projects, and I was actually able to get a whitelist spot for this mint. This is called Digiminers, as this one right here. And as you can see, it's minting today. It was actually very hard to come up and make a video because most of the projects, when they're free mint and they're very hyped, their whitelist spot is over allocated. So if it's a high project, you don't really have much time to actually make a video. But with this project, they actually stated that they're not gonna over allocate whitelist spots. It's stated somewhere in one of their tweets. So that gave me opportunity actually to mint and record at the same time. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to their website. This is the minting website. I'm gonna open it up in a new tab, and then we're gonna open up OpenSea collection. So even if it's a free mint, and if you decide to flip to make a little bit of money, what you always need to do, you need to go to OpenSea and you need to look at the floor price. And for activity or analytics, this is just another tab or another tools that OpenSea added. So the reason why you want to do that, let's say for example it's a free mint, you're still gonna have to pay for gas. It's probably gonna be a couple dollars because there is not a whole lot of going on Ethereum blockchain, but in some cases it could be more. And the reason why I said you have to go to activity, you need to see, because let's say some project is minting but nobody's buying, there is not a whole lot of activity going on, and if you're trying to flip, make some money, maybe you should not mint that specific whitelist. But in this case, this project looks like total volume 7 Ethereum, floor price is 1%. It's not a whole lot, but I'm gonna still show you the entire process. And plus, if you are just trying to make a little bit of money, that's still free money from a free mint. So if we press on activity, if we scroll down, as you can see, the last one was purchased 2 minutes ago, 9 minutes, 11, 11, 12. So there is still activity going on, and there is still a chance to make some money. And if we go back to items, we press on specifically this one, as you can see, this one is going for $12.54. And if we go back, we scroll up, as you can see, the creator's fee is 10%. So this is what you're gonna have to pay for royalties. So at the end, most likely it's gonna come out, you will make like $10 or so, and then also you're gonna have to subtract gas fees that you're gonna make. So from this mint, most likely you can make around $8. And basically I'm making this video, this is just an example video of if you want a whitelist spot, how to mint, and then how to sell if you're trying to flip and make some money. So let's go back to their Digiminers website, and every website of course is going to look different, but the purpose or concept is going to be the same. You're going to have to connect your wallet. So in this case, get inside the mines and you can see connect wallet button. Then this window is going to appear right here. You'll have to choose either wallet connect or MetaMask. I'm using MetaMask. Then MetaMask is gonna appear. You'll have to press on next and then connect your wallet. Once wallet is connected, I'm gonna press on mint a miner, and then it's gonna say congrats, you're whitelisted, now get yourself a miner. So proceed to minting a miner. Then this is what I'm gonna have to pay for gas. I actually didn't realize that gas is gonna be that high. Maybe their contract is not optimized. So in this case, even if it's a free mint, but after the gas, after the listing fees, most likely you're only gonna make a few dollars. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait a few minutes and see, and hopefully this gas is gonna come down. As you can see, it's slightly going down because I think maybe something else is minting on the blockchain. So maybe gas, that's why it's slightly higher. I'm gonna wait a few minutes and see if the gas price is gonna go down a little bit. But at the same time, if it's a very high project and there is a very short window for whitelist mint, let's say for example maybe in an hour or less, then you're not really gonna have that time to wait. You probably wanted to mint as fast as possible. That way you can list on OpenSea and sell it to make a little bit of money. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit longer and see if this gas will come down to maybe like $5 or something. Alright, looks like the gas is not actually going down. So I'm gonna mint. I'm not gonna wait any longer. So looks like I'm gonna have to pay $6 for this free mint. This is just the gas fees. So I'm gonna press on confirm. And if I'm gonna open up my MetaMask, as you can see, contract interaction, and it's pending. So there's a couple options you could have done. As you can see, it's already minted, but there was a speed up option. If, for example, it would take longer and you wouldn't want to wait, you could press on speed up and you can add a little bit more gas. You'll just have to pay a little more and then it would mint slightly faster. Okay, so now we have NFT in our wallet. So next thing what we need to do, we need to open OpenSea and connect our wallet. So it's either we can press right here on OpenSea, or I already have OpenSea tab open. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hover over this little wallet. Then this window is gonna appear right here, MetaMask, because that's what I'm using. And then I'm gonna press next and then connect. Okay, now I'm connected. What I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna hover over this little round logo and profile. I'm just gonna open in a new tab. So new tab is gonna appear. And in here, this is what I have in my wallet. So this is the NFT, the one I just minted. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press on it. And then in here, you can see there's a couple options. I can press on sell, I can transfer to somebody, or I can actually accept an offer. Somebody's offering currently right now 1% of wrapped Ethereum, because this is the way offers work on OpenSea. So if we go back here, I'm gonna refresh the page. And as you can see, floor price is 0.0095. So if you want to sell immediately, in most cases, what you wanted to do, you want to set the price slightly lower than this. So put it at 0.0094. So you're going to be the first one in line. But keep in mind though, there's a lot of people are watching and who's just trying to make few dollars off the mint. What they're going to do once they're going to see that, they're gonna reduce their price as well, and then the price might even go down more. So in this case, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set price to 0.0095. So I'm gonna go back here, I'm gonna press on sell. Then there's a couple things I can do. Fixed price, I can set up an auction, but I'm not gonna do that. Here I need to set the amount. This is the floor price. If you press on it, it's gonna set the floor price, or you can just manually type that in here. Then set the duration. I'm just gonna leave it default 1, then scroll down more. So here's what you're gonna see. So if you are listing for 0.0095, service fee 2.5%, creators fee 10%. So technically you'll have to pay 12.5% for this entire sale, and at the end, this is how much you're gonna be making. Then we'll press on complete listing. This is gonna appear. Then we scroll down. So this is gonna cost us 83 cents to post this NFT for sale. You scroll down and then you press on confirm. Actually just switched to 92. I think the gas price just went up slightly. Now we're gonna have to wait. Then another pop-up is gonna appear. We need to scroll down and then sign again. And that's it. Transaction 69 confirmation, and now we can view our NFT on OpenSea, or you can just close it here. It's gonna take you here, owned by, it's gonna say you, and right here as well you can lower the price. If for example no one's gonna be buying, then you can go back here, you can refresh, and now one of the NFTs right here, 4.95 is here, is yours. Like I told you earlier, as you can see, some people are trying to just sell fast, or they're panicking and they're setting lower. Somebody set 2.0094 and then somebody set it to 2.093. So sometimes people do that. In this case, I'm gonna just leave it the way it is. I'm just gonna let it sit. Hopefully someone's gonna buy it. And then let's say, for example, you need to sell it quick, and because you can see somebody just reduced the price to 0.009. So you can go back to your NFT that you're selling and you can press on lower price. So once you do that, you can change the price and you're not gonna have to pay again service fees or any kind of fees. You can just change the price, confirm, and it's gonna change without paying any fees. And then once the transaction is gonna complete, someone's gonna buy your NFT, your money just gonna appear in your MetaMask wallet right here. And this is pretty much it. This is just a step-by-step process how to mint NFT, post on OpenSea, sell. I'm not gonna wait until this is actually gonna sell because could take a while, but I'm just gonna leave it the way it is, and hopefully in an hour or so someone's gonna buy this NFT. Also keep in mind, like I told you earlier, you always have to look at the activity, because even if you have free mint NFT and if there is no activity, you might want to wait and see, because if nobody's actually buying NFTs, then of course you'll mint. Yeah, it's a free mint, but depends on the gas. You might pay from $2 maybe to $10 to $15 just for the mint for gas, and if there is no activity, you're not going to be able even to sell to get your money back that you pay for gas. So this is another very important thing to look at the activity. And if you're going to look at the analytics tab, they have a lot more data, floor price, and then how it was selling, and then listing and sales. Hopefully this video helped you how to mint if you've never done it before, and how to resell or sell on OpenSea. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.